Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop channel for top-notch gear reviews and buying guides. Today we're diving into what we consider the best camera tripod for lightweight travel. The K&F Concept 60-inch carbon fiber camera tripod. Whether you're a pro photographer, travel vlogger, or content creator on the go, this tripod might just be your new favorite tool. Let's get into why this carbon fiber wonder deserves a spot in your camera kit. First things first, let's talk about the construction. The K&F Concept tripod is made from high-end carbon fiber, the same kind used in aerospace manufacturing. That means it's incredibly tough, corrosion-resistant, and built to handle rugged environments like deserts, mountains, or city streets. Yet despite all that strength, it weighs only 2.2 pounds, or about 1 kilogram, making it a dream for travel photographers who want to pack light without compromising on performance. This is a 5-section tripod with a sleek metal knob locking system that allows you to extend it from just 18 inches to a full 60 inches in seconds. Folded down, it's only 13.8 inches, small enough to fit easily in your carry-on or backpack, and it clears most airline baggage limits with room to spare. What sets this tripod apart is its versatility. It features a 360-degree panoramic ball head that delivers smooth, oil-free rotation for those stunning panorama shots. The ball head also supports up to 17 pounds of gear, which means your DSLR, mirrorless camera, or even a compact projector or telescope is good to go. There's also a quick-release plate system that's compatible with most AKA Swiss setups and comes with a standard 1/4 screw. So whatever you're shooting with, you'll find this tripod plays well with your existing gear. The tripod easily converts into a full-size monopod. Just detach one leg, add the ball head, and you're ready to capture dynamic action shots, whether you're tracking wildlife or navigating crowded event spaces. It even doubles as a trekking pole if you need it. One of the standout features for creatives is the low-angle shooting option. Thanks to its reversible central axis, you can mount your camera upside down for macro photography or creative perspectives that bring you closer to the ground. The lowered center of gravity also enhances stability for those detailed nature shots of plants, insects, or small animals. This tripod isn't just a travel-friendly support system, it's a tool for expanding your creative possibilities in any environment. It's ideal for anyone who travels frequently and needs a compact, durable tripod that doesn't sacrifice on stability. If you're a content creator who shoots in diverse environments, from cityscapes to wilderness, you'll appreciate how easily this tripod adapts. If you're into macro, panorama, or even live event coverage, the flexibility of switching between tripod and monopod modes is a huge plus. To wrap up, the K&F Concept 60-inch carbon fiber tripod stands out as a powerful, lightweight, and versatile solution for modern photographers and videographers. It's compact when you need it, solid when it counts, and clever in all the right ways. If you're in the market for the best lightweight travel tripod, this might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. See you in the next video.